Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enter the SIM card and the memory card into your Samsung A80. To do this operation, get your key and look at the down of your phone. Here you have a hole on the left side, left corner. Let's take a focus right here and put the key into the hole. So you get the place for your SIM 2 and SIM 1. As you see in this model, you can't enter the memory card into the phone. Too bad. One SIM card and second SIM card here. Let's take a look how it's look. Dual version. And now gently put this into the hole and just press it. The memory card in this phone you can't enter, sorry. And that's it. Your phone has LTE now 1 and 2 option. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!